Hey guys, it's Lime here, and I'm gonna be doing a bike check on my first BMX ever. So, here it goes. Okay, this is my first BMX bike I've ever gotten. Okay, let's start. Okay, it has ODI grips. Cut the flanges off. ODI barons that came with the grips. Also on this side, same thing. Stock handlebars, painted matte white. Some paint came off here because I used to ride like with brakes. Now I still do sometimes. I just don't have them on right now. Chrome alloy stem, standard headset. 18-inch frame, stock 18-inch frame, painted matte white again. Forks, also painted matte white, stock too. Got a couple scratches on it already. Tire rim is a stock rim, painted red. Spokes are chrome. Nipples are also red. It's a Snafu tire. It's a 20 by 2.10 in the front tire. Stock seat. Painted the C-clamp red. Down to the sprocket. I painted the sprocket red. KMC chain, white KMC chain. Haro pedals. One-piece crank, painted chrome. Pegs, 2 pegs that just came with the bike from my friend. Yeah. The rear wheel, same rim. Tires different. It's also a Snafu though. But this one is it's also 20 by 10. This one's 100 psi, and the front one is 60. 60 or 80 psi. So the back one's kind of thicker. I don't know. I might put it in the front, so when I land on the bike, it's softer. So yeah, I think though that's all the parts. Okay, I'll quickly do a hub check, hub sound. The hub's pretty loud. Snowmobiles outside. Yeah, it's pretty loud hub. It's also a stock hub. It's pretty loud too. It's pretty awesome. So yeah.